Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've seen you guys. It's only been a week. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is the end of the month, so it is once again time for a monthly makes recap for everything that I made for the month of August. I really didn't make too much stuff. I think I have like 5 things in total, and the majority of them are like smaller things. This month was very busy and crazy and hectic for me, so I didn't have as much time as I would have liked to dedicate to make some of the things that I would like to make. But on the flip side, I also wasn't feeling as inspired to make as many things. And throughout this process, as I'm, continuing to learn and grow in my crochet journey, I've made it a point, or at least I'm trying to make it a point to myself, that I'm only going to make the things that I truly want. I'm not going to make things just for the heck of it. I don't want to become a crochet hoarder of anything at any point in my life. So I'm just trying to slow down, enjoy the process, focus on learning and developing and growing in my skill set while making some really cool pieces, along the way. However long it takes me to do that is however long it takes me. But so as a result, this month I don't have a lot of cool stuff to show you guys, but for the few things that I do have, I do really like them, and they were things that I actually kind of sort of needed for the most part. So let's go ahead and waste no time and get right on into the video. All right, so the first thing that I made this month is actually something so simple, but I found it was something, not that I absolutely needed, but it was a little bit helpful for me. And it's just this little like carrying case for my AirPods. So I just crocheted this with some yarn that I already had. I'm trying to use up yarn that I already have instead of going in and buying new yarn, just because I have a stash and I really don't want to have storage for my yarn. So this is what it looks like. I just crocheted a little like hole in the bottom, which I don't think you can see. Let me see, can you see it? You can kind of sort of see it, but there's a little hole at the bottom so I can like charge my AirPods without taking them out of the case. And then I just created a little like strap or whatever, and then this like flap kind of goes over so I can close it. And then I just made a little loop thing for the keychain, because what I found was that I would take my AirPods with me and I just stuff them in my bag, and then I'd be like scrambling trying to find them as they like magically disappeared in my purse. So I thought it was really neat to have this there, so that way I could just hook it on and I know that they're going to be there and they will not get lost in the mess that is my purse. So this was the very first thing that I made this month. I really have been enjoying this. I love this. I think it's so cute. I love the color, and it has just been a really handy little thing for me to have. So that is the first thing that I made. Next up, I made a couple of things for my dog, and the first thing is just this little like bandana out of some scrap yarn that I had from previous projects that I'd done. And I mean, I'll try to insert a photo of him wearing it if he'll cooperate, but his little big head just goes in through here, and then this part just sits on his back, and then this little part would be like resting on his chest. Yeah, I mean, there's really not much to it. I think he looks so daggone cute in it. I really hope that I can get a photo of him wearing it. Now, I just thought that I make so much stuff for myself, it would be nice to like make things for other people, but I'm not totally confident enough yet to start making things for other people. So I was like, okay, well, closest thing is my dog. So let's start off with him. So I made this little bandana scarf for him. And then because I love trolling him, I made him a little crown, and I just like made chains for the straps so it could like go around his ears and like his head, hoping that it would stay on his head. But I don't know, I just underestimate, like, he's got such a big head. So this is a small crown. Like, I guess this needs to go on like a chihuahua or something. Actually, no, this is bigger than, this is bigger than a chihuahua's head, but it's definitely way smaller than what it needs to be for my dog's head. So he's got a little baby crown. I'll also see if I can try and get a photo of him wearing this, but no promises because he is a little Mexican jumping bean and he does not like to stay still for anything. But I just thought it was really cute and I thought it would be really fun. You know, Halloween is coming up, so maybe I'll like crochet him a Halloween costume. And maybe I'll make a video about it, but I have to see what I want to make him. As I expected, he didn't stay still long enough for me to get a photo of him with the crown on, so enjoy this photoshopped photo of him wearing his crown with his favorite former Halloween costume of a hot dog. And then last but not least, I just thought this was hilarious. And yeah, I don't think he's ever gonna let me actually put this on him, but I made him a wig and this is what it looks like. So you know what? I'm gonna put it on myself first so you can just like get the visuals. Okay, well, it wasn't made for human heads, so, okay, well, you get the idea. So this is like, you know, the little pigtails. I made ear straps and a little like chin strap thingy. Let me just go ahead and tie it. Let's just fully commit to this look, you know? Okay, there we go. So ear straps, chin strap, pigtails, just so he could like, you know, live his best life. I would love to get a photo of him wearing this. I don't know if that's actually gonna happen, but it just brought me so much joy just imagining him in this. So yeah, don't know if I'm actually gonna get it on his head, but this just cracks me up and I just think it was really funny and like a quick little easy thing to make. But yeah, no promises on me being able to get him to wear this, but I just thought this was absolutely hilarious and it brought me so much joy making this. I just really hope that I could get it on his head just for 2 seconds. I just want to get one photo of him wearing this. Surprise, surprise, he didn't stay still for the crown and he did not stay still for this ponytail wig. So enjoy the photoshopped photo once again. It wasn't made the best, like it could be a lot better like put together, but I knew that this wasn't something he was actually gonna wear like for real or anything. So I was just goofing around and I think this is hilarious. So that is the last thing that I made for my dog. Now moving into the final 2 pieces that I have. First up, I just made another dumpling pillow. So this is what the updated dumpling pillow looks like. I think this one gives off more of a dumpling vibe than the previous pillow that I showed you guys last month. If you care to see what that one looks like, check out the video in the link, or I don't know, it'll be somewhere, but check out last month's monthly makes video. But yeah, so this was my dumpling pillow. I actually did a tutorial on how to do this, so if you would like to make your very own dumpling pillow, that was the last video that I uploaded. You can definitely go check that out. I'll leave a link for it in the description. But yeah, so I just made another one of these. I really like it. These are a lot of fun to make actually. And I use up a lot of the extra scrap yarn that I don't love when I'm doing like pillow projects. So it's like a double whammy, like I get a pillow and I get to use up the yarn that I don't like for it. So I really like it. And then the very last thing that I made is something that I wanted to play around with. It's actually not crocheted. It is knit. I knit something for the first time in a long time. I'm transitioning into making more things for the fall and winter months because summer is, not even slowly but surely, summer is quickly coming to an end and I can't, you know, go out wearing all the little cute, flimsy, open back tops that I've been making thus far. And I'm anemic, so I need to stay warm. So I made this super pretty, I absolutely love this yarn, this very pretty chunky weight yarn cardigan. Hold on, I didn't finish weaving in the ends and stuff, so you'll see them hanging out there, but this is what it looks like. I think it's absolutely beautiful. This is so heavy, but I love everything about it. I think the color is just so pretty. I think they called this like a raspberry. I don't really care what they call it, but I think it was called raspberry. And it's so soft. It's so cute. It's so chunky. I'm so excited to wear this. I just absolutely love this. There is no way in the world I'm going to be cold wearing this thing. I also was really impressed at the fact that I knit this and I didn't have a pattern or anything. I just tried to conceptualize what I kind of sort of wanted it to look like in my head and just went for it. I had never crocheted or knit sleeves before in my life. So the fact that I did it and they came out looking pretty daggone good, I'm feeling very motivated to make more sweaters and cardigans in the future because I just know that, you know, this is actually a clothing item that I will wear every single day. So I'm really excited to make more of these. I actually started to make another cardigan. So I don't know how long it'll take me to do that because it's not nearly as chunky as this one. Maybe it'll be in next month's monthly makes video, who knows? But I'm really excited and I'll definitely share that with you guys whenever it gets done. So that is all that I actually made for this month. It wasn't too much. Like I said, as we move into the colder seasons, I'm definitely gonna start to make more cold weather friendly items. So I kind of have to like get the wheels turning in my head on what exactly those pieces are going to be. But just know, expect to see a lot of sweaters. Although, actually no, don't expect to see a lot of sweaters because I feel like it takes too much time and no promises that I can dedicate that much time to completing a sweater even in a month's time frame. So you'll see them when you see them, but I will be making a lot more sweaters and cardigans and stuff because I just love them so much. I wear them all the time, all year round because I'm always cold and yeah, I just need them to survive. So that is all I have for you guys for this month. Oh, last thing. Thank you guys in advance for 1,000 subscribers. I'm not quite at 1,000 just yet, but either by the time I upload this video or a little bit after I've uploaded this video, I probably will have made it to 1,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos and, you know, supporting me, giving me different ideas on things that I could talk about or share with you guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm enjoying this journey. I like the fact that I get to share with you guys the things that I've made and, you know, just take you along with some of the projects that I'm making. And also just have, you know, all these videos to document all the things that I've done so I can personally see how I've been growing. So that's originally why I started making these videos, because I wanted to have a personal documentation of all the things that I've done. So it might be embarrassing, but it'll be cool to get to see just like the progression of my journey and my skill sets and my abilities and just seeing me get more comfortable and open to make things that challenge me. So thank you guys for coming along on this journey with me. I really do appreciate it. If there are any videos that you would like to see me possibly make, no promises that they will happen, but give me some ideas. I'll definitely take everything you guys put down there into consideration. Yeah, I don't know. I hope everyone has been enjoying their summer. Hope you guys have been staying safe and having a great time with your family and friends. If there's anything that you guys have recently been creating yourselves, tell me about it in the comments below. I would love to see them. And once again, thank you guys so much. I absolutely appreciate all of your support and love here on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.